Let's quickly solve this question here. We have a sales boy gave a change of 68 naira instead of 72 naira. Calculate his percentage error. Now, to calculate percentage error, we need to first write down our formula for percentage error. The formula for calculating percentage error is equals to absolute error over true value times 100. Now, what is our absolute error? Our absolute error here equals true value minus false value. Now, let's pick out what's our true value and our false value from this question. Here, we are told that a sales boy give a change of 68 naira instead of 72 naira. Now, that means the original change the customer is supposed to collect or received is 72 naira. That means 72 naira will be our true value here. True value is equals to 72 naira. He gave a change of 68 naira. That means the first value now is 68 naira. Then we can then calculate our absolute value now as absolute error is going to be 72 naira minus 68 naira. By the time we subtract that, we are going to have 4 naira. That's our absolute error here. One by absolute error means that in a situation whereby we have a negative value, what we do in that case is that we discard the negative, that one by the absolute here. So in a case maybe we have 68 minus 72, which is going to give us a minus 4, we definitely write only 4 and don't put the negative there. That's that about the absolute value. Having our absolute value now to be 4 naira, let's now calculate our percentage error. Then our percentage error is equals to our absolute error here now is 4 naira 4, and our true value is 72 times 100. If we input in our calculator 4 over 72, or we'll calculate that, that should give us something around 0.0556 times 100 here. 0.056 times 100 give us 5.56%. So the percentage error is 5.56%. We have solved that.